What are you saying, YouTube? Today's the day. I'm finally getting the wheels put on the ST. Well, actually tomorrow. I've got today off work, so I'm going to clean up the ST apart from the old wheels, make it look all nice to be able to shoot a video on it tomorrow when the new wheels are on. Now, if you haven't seen kind of what happened and why I've had to replace the wheels, I'll put a little kind of collage here of everything that went wrong with the car, which has made me buy a whole new set for the ST. So yeah, enjoy the collage. Now just how much play. There's one there, the worst one. Here, you got one here as well, and it is buckled. Where's it buckled? Just here. Fucking one thing or another with this car, innit? Just snap the head of that off. Shit, man.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would.
I've just noticed on this wheel as well. Lucky I bought a whole new set, right? Fuck. This ain't too good to be driving on really, but bad for a quick clean. Looking fresh. Yeah, I haven't washed the wheels because they're getting changed tomorrow. As soon as I finish washing the car, it starts raining. Look at that. Repping the pink Hoover. That's the car, nice and tidy inside and out. Next time you see it, it should have the new wheels on, hopefully. You never know what's going to go wrong this time. I'm actually getting the tracking and, well, getting wheels balanced because they get new tyres on the front, and getting the tracking done at the same time, just so it's nice and set up basically for the new wheels. So yeah, see you then. Just going to quickly tidy up this garage as well because it is messy. Will it track you until the will you prevail? I haven't mentioned either, but we saved 3 like field mice. Their mum got caught by a hawk. They're massive now, but this is one of them. Literally, we had to hand feed them. I'll put in some footage now. We had to literally hand feed them from babies. Yeah, they couldn't open their eyes, they couldn't do anything, and now they're, yeah, all grown up. Right, now that I've sorted all that, the next clip should be me going to get my new wheels put on tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Ew. Dead spider. Right, let's get him unboxed. That's what I went for. You can see too well. Molar V ones. So they're 17 by 17.5 ET40, I believe. The previous ones I had on there were ET42, so they should sit a little bit better. But yeah, I really like them. Also bought 2 new front tyres because the fronts were a little bit low, and I'm just going to be taking the rear tyres off and putting them on the new wheels. So yeah, next is getting them, well, getting the new tyres on, then getting them balanced and put on the car. Here's another little look. They're quite convex, converve, I don't know what the word is, but yeah, they sit in quite nicely, which is what I really wanted. And then the spokes actually stick out just a little bit. So here's a before of the old ones. You'll have to excuse the, the spare. We'll fuck that one off. There we go. I've got some new lug nuts for the car as well, made by a D1 spec, and a couple of new dust caps. So I've got the car from the garage. It's still got a bit of gunk on the wheels. I'm really liking it. I think it could do with going a little bit lower though. I don't know, it's sitting quite low as it is. It's really on the edge of the, what's it called? Yeah, the edge of the arch. Yeah, I'm really liking these. I think it's starting to look really sick. You know, I was saying that something might actually go wrong. I found out that the tie rods are slightly bent, so they couldn't do the adjustment for the tracking. So there's something I'm going to need to do soon. I'm going to have to change both tie rods on both sides and then get the tracking redone. I'm pretty sure it won't be an MOT failure, so it's fine for the MOT, but yeah, that's another video coming up soon. What I'm going to do, I'm at work at the moment, so I'm going to take the car later on to a nice area. Well, I'll clean it up first, take it to a nice area and get some really nice footage of the new wheels when they're all nice and clean, and get some good photos for Instagram. That's the new wheels on the ST. Let me know what you think, like honestly, if you like it, let me know. If you hate it, let me know. I really like it, and I really like the lug nuts as well. I think it sets the car off and fits the black and red theme. like I said earlier, I've got the tie rods to sort out. I'm going to get that done hopefully next week, but I'm going to book it in for the MOT first. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure it won't fail on it. I spoke to the bloke there and he said it won't fail on it. It's just twisted a little bit, so the tracking's out just a little bit. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'll catch you next time.